I just believe it's an opportunity for our community to get free turkeys. They gave away clothing. They had health screenings. I signed up for credit information to straighten out my credit, so I'm just appreciative for that.
And someone told me that y'all do this every year, so that's actually grateful and thankful for y'all coming out. I appreciate y'all so much for coming out, helping us. For the ones that didn't have, the funds to get their Thanksgiving meal together. And I did like the service, it was excellent. So that's why I said if y'all could let me know where y'all church is located, then I will be there. And thank y'all once again for coming out helping us.